Looking for short-term work abroad? Lithuania's seasonal permits are simple and fast. Lithuania's 2026 seasonal work pathway is quick. Agriculture, tourism, and construction all need extra hands each year. Peak hiring occurs in spring, summer, and autumn. Apply early to increase your job chances. Tourism jobs like hotel staff peak in summer. Hospitality is a top seasonal employment sector here. Construction needs laborers for warm months. These roles are open to short-term foreign workers. Agricultural roles include fruit picking and packaging. Demand is highest for reliable, motivated workers. You'll need a job offer, valid passport, and one photo to start your permit application. The application is straightforward, either online or at Lithuanian consulates or migration offices. Apply online by uploading your documents. The clear steps make the process fast and stress-free. Find employers through official job portals or trusted agencies specializing in seasonal placements. Attend recruitment fairs or join online job events to connect with verified Lithuanian employers. Always review your contract terms. Check work hours, pay rates, and accommodation details before signing. Local transport in Lithuania is affordable. Many jobs provide transport or help with accommodation nearby. Meet new people, learn skills, and experience authentic Lithuanian culture while you work. Your seasonal job in Lithuania awaits. Start exploring your 2026 European work adventure today.